Come on, ladies, come on, your cameras. I need to see your hands, and I'm going to help you feel the frequencies very quickly in your hands. So, first, let me tell you all that this work is very simple, very easy. You don't need anything, it's just about playing with your hands, right? And all of you there, welcome. Let's do this. Yes, Neelu?
Yes.
Do this. Okay. So I just want you to understand a couple of things before we start. This will be your first ever interaction with the frequency. Okay. Usually 80% of the people feel something in the hands. Okay. They have that feeling. They understand that something is happening. But sometimes some people don't because we are programmed in our own way. As you start doing this work more or you go into actual training, everybody feels it. But it is possible that in the first interaction, you might not. Uh, as I said, 80% of them feel it. So keep yourselves really open that yes, you're going to feel it and have fun with these frequencies. We always say that play with the frequency. So if I have a headache, I don't do anything. I just sit and play with the frequencies. It's play. It's random flow of the hands and the energy. So that's the reason we call it play. Now I want you to understand a couple of things is one, you need to have your hand in a normal anatomic position, okay? Normal anatomic position, because if your hand is too tight or if it's too loose, you won't feel, okay? It's a very different sensory way that the hand operates if it's too tight or too loose. I need normal position, okay? So all I want you to do is bring one hand to your ear, any of your ear. I'm not going to go left, right. Okay, leave the other hand down, leave the other hand down. Be relaxed with the other hand. Just bring one hand, okay? All I want you to slowly come down, very slowly. Imagine your hand is one unit, it's a knife, okay? And you are cutting and slicing the air. So come down slowly, very slowly. Listen to your hand. We say listen. Listen to your hand. Don't close your eyes. Nobody closes eyes. Eyes wide open. You need to be aware. Okay, listen to your hand. Is it already feeling the air? Are you already feeling a little heavy? I see hands nodding, thumbs up coming. Yes, that's what it is. It just doesn't take time. Come down slowly, slowly. Keep slicing the air. Your hand might be heavy, hot, warm, cold. You might be feeling a blanket around. It's possible. That's all about it. And bring it right in front of you. Okay, just bring it and park it. Let it be. Okay. Now take the other hand. Take the other hand and start coming down slowly, very slowly and gently. Again, your hand as a one unit, a knife that is going to cut the air. Come down very slowly. Are you already feeling something on that hand as well? Yes, super. And now both your hands are in front of each other. Look at that magnetic pull that you feel in both the hands. Don't pump it in and out like a penguin. No, you're not doing that. Now all I want you to do is try and move your hands as if you're holding a huge, giant energy ball. Just see how you feel. Are you guys feeling something? Nod something. Smile, nod. Yes. It could be hot, warm, tingling, twitching. It could be, like feeling as if somebody's tickling you. It could be vibration, anything. And you may suddenly feel a sense of joy. You may suddenly have some emotion coming up. It could be just anything. Okay, now I just want you to let your hands go a little free flow and play with it. Play with this ball of energy. Just try and play. Don't pump it inside. We always expand. We don't go in. Okay, this is not something. It's not energy that will go. Closer. It's going to be stronger. It's frequency. It travels. It expands. Okay. So try and go far and see how you feel. Go far from each other and see that pull in your hands. Is it there? It feels like there is a rubber band. It feels like there is something that you are stretching and it's resisting, okay? Try and play. Just play with these frequencies. Yes, yawning is one of the registers. Okay, if you're yawning, yes, you tend to yawn when you're doing this because body instantly demands oxygen. When you are playing with the frequencies, your vibration goes high, and the moment your vibration goes high, the body demands oxygen. Are you enjoying this? Yes? Super, super, super. Do you want to do one more exercise?
Yes,
Yes? Super. Let's go for it. Needu, time permits us for one quick exercise?
absolutely it does. I gotta tell you something, Bhairavi. If I hadn't experienced it for myself, I would not have believed it. But I'm saying,
Yes. Yes, friends. I don't think everybody is into energy work here, right? Secondly, I'm talking to you. I'm not doing anything. Okay. I'm not creating light, sound, aroma. I have not sent you any manuals. Eh, karna hai, wo karna hai. I'm just talking to you, and we all are playing through a virtual medium. But yes, still, most of you have felt it. I can know from your faces and your responses when we were doing it, right? And there is a different sense of joy that suddenly flows when you play with this frequency. So it's amazing. I'm going to quickly take you through one more exercise because I don't want to encroach on everybody's time. That's what I would say. I want to respect everybody's time. So let's go through one more. See, I said we are playing with the frequencies. Playing is being childlike. We say that when we do this work, we are childlike. We don't want to interfere in somebody's healing process, or we don't want to judge, don't want to anticipate, don't want to do any such things, and we just want to allow the universe to do what is necessary. So, being a child, has anybody known what is a slinky?
yeah,
Slinky?
yeah,
Yeah,
that,
that
that
spring,
angle
the
thing which is
colorful spring, and you play like this when you're children. You get it in silver or colors or anything, right? So I want
right.
you all to have your hands comfortably wherever you can, and imagine you have a slinky in your hand. Okay, there's a slinky in your hand. एक इधर है ऐसा करके, it's here. Now all I want you to do is slowly try and bring one hand up. Don't topple off. No toppling off. No? So you don't need to bring it in one hand. I just want you to play up and down very slowly. Okay, very slowly. Just play it up and down and tell me if you're feeling the weight actually shifting. Very slow. Do slow. See, अभी ना ऐसा ऐसा करोगे, there is nothing you will feel. Okay, you have to be very slow. Are you feeling the weight actually shifting from one hand to another? Right? Are you feeling heat or vibration or tightness in the palms already? Yes?
Yes.
Yes. This is what the frequency is. It's there. It's there. We just need to tap into it. Every human has that potential to tap into it. Okay? And we have that potential within us overall to live our lives the way we want to live. Okay, sometimes the destiny is decided, but the path is something we choose. And it helps you to choose a path which is full of ease and grace. It helps you to choose a path which keeps you in your balance and wholeness. And it's very simple. If somebody takes a healing session, I'm only doing this. I'm playing. You can drop your hands, and I know if you drop your hands and you're feeling numb or dry, just try and rub them and all the moisture will come back. You might feel that dryness. Okay, as I said, the vibration goes high, it demands water and oxygen from the bodies. Just rub your hands. So this is playing with the frequencies. How many of you enjoyed it?
Oh yes, everyone. Just put your hands up. Whoever's here on video right now, yeah, just put your hands up and give each other big,
Super.
big group high five.
Super. Super. So I love to do these exercises in groups because that's where we can help you understand how easy it is to feel the frequencies, right? And the actual sessions are done one-on-one, where we make the person lie down or sit in a relaxed position, and without touching, we work. Without touching, without talking, without creating any ambience of light, sound, and aroma, we work. And during the sessions, people feel energy sensations. They see lights. Sometimes they hear sounds. Sometimes they feel their body is getting heavy. Sometimes they feel the body is getting light and they're levitating. So there are all sorts of feelings they come with. I had somebody say that, I saw a green, long person next to you. So I don't even see aliens, but that scared me. So in the session, they do this also, but they are lying down with their eyes closed. That's it.
Right. Bhairavi, I am going to ask you for something. Before that, Parita's asked, can we do on ourselves the exercise that you just made us go through? Can we?
Uh, you can play with the frequencies, but self-healing is something where you totally learn this work and you know instantly how to be in the awareness of the frequencies. Then you can actually have a proper self-healing. But yes, you can always play with the frequencies because this little interaction also can bring changes in somewhere. Dr. Eric Pearl is the founder of the work, and he says that healing happens in a fraction. He says healing happens in a fraction. It's the human mind that needs that half an hour's work to believe that, oh, I'm being healed.
Right.
Right? So yes, this little interaction can unfold something amazing for all of you here. You never know. As I said, I don't know.
Fantastic. Bhavala said, awesome feeling, gratitude, ma'am. And Dipali said, awesome experience. Thanks, ma'am.